Join me as I take on the challenge of turning just $1 into $1,000 using some clever investing strategies. I've always been fascinated by the concept of growing small investments into significant profits, and I'm excited to share my journey with you. The idea of turning a single dollar into 1,000 may seem impossible, but with the right strategies and a bit of patience, it can be done. I'll be sharing my approach and the lessons I've learned along the way, so be sure to stick around. Investing can seem intimidating, especially for those who are just starting out. Many people believe that you need a lot of money to start investing, or that it's too risky. But the truth is, anyone can start investing with even a small amount of money. The key is to be smart about it and to have a solid understanding of the strategies and tools available. I've spent countless hours researching and learning about different investment strategies, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. Some people think that investing is only for the wealthy or for financial experts. They believe that it's too complicated or that the risks are too high. But the reality is that investing is for anyone who wants to grow their money and achieve their financial goals. Whether you're looking to save for retirement, pay off debt, or simply build wealth, investing can be a powerful tool. The important thing is to approach it with a clear understanding of the risks and rewards, to be patient and disciplined in your approach. The possibilities are endless when it comes to investing, and the potential for growth is enormous. With the right strategy and a bit of luck, it's possible to turn a small investment into a significant profit. I've seen it happen time and time again, and I'm excited to share my own experience with you. So, let's get started and explore the world of investing together. Investing is often misunderstood, and many people have misconceptions about what it entails. They think it's all about luck or speculation, but the reality is that investing is a science. It requires a deep understanding of the markets, the economy, and human behavior. It also requires a solid strategy and a disciplined approach. Many people think that investing is a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's not. It's a long-term game that requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn. People often think that investing is too complicated and that it's only for experts. They believe that they don't have the knowledge or the experience to make informed investment decisions. But the truth is, investing is not rocket science. With a bit of education and research, anyone can become a savvy investor. It's all about understanding the basics and being willing to learn and adapt. The key is to start small and to be patient and to always keep a long-term perspective. The media often portrays investing as a high-stakes game where winners and losers are made overnight. But the reality is that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a long-term journey that requires discipline, patience, and persistence. Many people get caught up in the hype and the excitement of the markets. But the truth is that investing is a boring, mundane process. It's about making smart decisions, avoiding unnecessary risks, and staying the course. Investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another. It's all about understanding your own unique financial goals and risk tolerance, and developing a strategy that's tailored to your needs. Many people try to follow the crowd or to mimic the strategies of others, but the truth is that investing is a personal journey. It's about finding what works for you and sticking to it, even when the markets get tough. Diversification is key when it comes to investing. Spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors can help to minimize risk and maximize returns. It's all about finding the right balance and being patient. Many people try to put all their eggs in one basket, but the truth is that investing is all about managing risk. It's about being smart and strategic, and about understanding the potential consequences of your actions. One strategy that I've found to be particularly effective is dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. It's a great way to reduce risk and to avoid timing the market. By investing regularly, you can take advantage of lower prices during downturns and participate in the growth of the market during upswings. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that can help to grow your wealth over time. Another strategy that I recommend is dividend reinvestment. This involves taking the dividends paid out by your investments and reinvesting them back into the market. It's a great way to generate passive income and to grow your wealth over time. By reinvesting your dividends, you can take advantage of the power of compounding and create a snowball effect that can help to accelerate your returns. It's a simple yet effective way to build wealth. Leveraging compound interest is another key strategy that I recommend. This involves allowing your investments to grow and compound over time without withdrawing or interrupting the process. It's a powerful way to build wealth, as it allows your investments to generate returns on returns, creating a snowball effect that can help to accelerate your growth. By being patient and disciplined, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest and achieve your financial goals. In addition to these strategies, I also recommend staying informed and up-to-date on market trends and news. This involves staying educated and informed about the markets, the economy, and the companies you're invested in. It's a great way to make informed investment decisions and to avoid unnecessary risks. By staying ahead of the curve, you can stay ahead of the game and achieve your financial goals. For example, I invested in a dividend-paying stock and reinvested the dividends back into the market. Over time, the stock price increased, and the dividends continued to grow, creating a snowball effect that helped to accelerate my returns. It was a simple yet effective strategy that helped to build my wealth over time. I also recommend exploring different investment options, such as index funds, real estate, and commodities. Each of these options has its own unique characteristics and risks, and it's essential to understand them before making an investment decision. By diversifying your portfolio and spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can minimize risk and maximize returns. The key to successful investing is to have a long-term perspective and to avoid getting caught up in the short-term volatility of the markets. It's essential to stay disciplined and patient even when the markets get tough. By doing so, you can take advantage of the power of compounding and create a snowball effect that can help to accelerate your returns. I'd like to share a personal story with you, one that illustrates the power of smart investing. A friend of mine started investing with just $100. And over the course of a few years, he was able to grow his investment into a significant profit. He used a combination of dollar cost averaging and dividend reinvestment, and he was patient and disciplined in his approach. His story is a testament to the potential of smart investing. And it's a reminder that anyone can achieve their financial goals with the right strategy and mindset. The strategies that my friend used are the same ones that I recommend to anyone looking to grow their wealth. By starting small, being patient, and staying disciplined, you can achieve your financial goals and build a brighter future. My friend's story is just one example of the potential of smart investing, and I'm excited to share more stories and strategies with you in the future. One of the most important lessons that my friend learned is the importance of diversification. By spreading his investments across different asset classes and sectors, he was able to minimize risk and maximize returns. He also learned the value of patience and discipline, and he understood that investing is a long-term game that requires a willingness to learn and adapt. My friend's story is a reminder that investing is not just about making money. It's about achieving your financial goals and building a brighter future. It's about taking control of your finances and creating a sense of security and freedom. By starting small and being patient, you can achieve your dreams and create a better life for yourself and your loved ones. The key to my friend's success was his ability to stay disciplined and patient even when the markets got tough. He avoided getting caught up in the short-term volatility and instead focused on the long-term potential of his investments. He also stayed informed and up-to-date on market trends and news. He was always looking for ways to improve his strategy and optimize his returns. In the end, my friend's story is a testament to the power of smart investing. By starting small, being patient, and staying disciplined, he was able to grow his investment into a significant profit. His story is a reminder that anyone can achieve their financial goals with the right strategy and mindset. And it's an inspiration to anyone looking to build wealth and create a brighter future. The main points to take away from my friend's story are the importance of diversification, patience, and discipline. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors, you can minimize risk and maximize returns. By staying patient and disciplined, you can avoid getting caught up in the short-term volatility of the markets and instead focus on the long-term potential of your investments. In conclusion, turning $1 into $1,000 is possible with smart investing strategies. By starting small, being patient, and staying disciplined, you can achieve your financial goals and build a brighter future. Remember to always stay informed and up to date on market trends and news, and to always keep